Got the thread lock on it. I think I figured it out. This whole drive shaft loose. This whole bracket. That explains the little vibration. Drive shaft loose. Okay, I definitely fixed the issue now with the grinding noise, the vibration. The grinding noise the whole time was my drive shaft. It's a burn directly in the middle. It's like a half shaft. There's two parts to the drive shaft. The burn in the middle where it bends and flexes. The whole bracket was loose. I had one bolt that was halfway backed out. That's just a negligence, just not paying attention. Now the car running fine. I mean, I can't hear nothing. The car's so damn smooth that it's scaring me. I'm like, I know this ain't all that was wrong with it, but the car's running perfect. I don't hear no grinding. All the grinding noise gone. So I just got to make sure I put a thread lock on all the bolts. And I'm back now. I know everything about these cars now. So I'm about to start investing in these cars. I'm gonna monopolize off this whole Ford Taurus police Interceptor thing, because nobody don't want to fix these cars. I know everything about it now because this car been kicking my ass. Oh yeah, it's perfect now. It's a beautiful thing. This car running fine. I fixed it. Finally got the car fixed. Now I can put some new tags on it. Got my car back.